City series cigars and Citrus 7s, black cement 3s, 4s, the hairs and bread 11s. No doubt that I'll be wearing some fire at any sighting. With these Dorenbecker 5s, you can see me in any lighting. It's exciting, I'll be flexing to the coldest degree. What's up, everybody? It's Sneakerhead M Checks. As I'm still waiting for my personal pair to come in, my boy held it down and let me hold his 2020 Fire Red 4 so that I could get this review up for you guys sooner rather than later. Also, I'm giving away a pair of these for free to one lucky winner in whatever size they wear. For details on that, go to the description of this video and I'll put a link right in there for it. But anyway, let's take a close look at these. Here we go. Now, I saw a lot of people complaining about like factory flaws on these, like the leather wasn't right and glue stains, but this must be a really good pair because these look fine to me. What y'all think? Here's the front. Let's get up close. Here's the orange Nike Air hang tag that they come with. There's the tone. Yeah, I'm feeling these, man. Yeah, this is a great pair. Except for that little part right there that looks like it was like almost indented. I don't know what's up with that, but just looking at the leather and stuff, yeah. I think we should all hope that our pairs come in almost flawless like these. You know, they got their little things like this right here. This could be a little neater, but I mean, overall, like I said, they're looking real good. Here's the best part. That nice red Nike Air on the back heel tab. Looking real beautiful. Giving us 1989 vibes. Interior on these is red. And they have black insoles with red logos. Here are the soles. They come in this OG style Jordan 4s box that we've been getting most 4s in for years now. The only difference is the box in general, but more so the bottom part is a lot more firm than the boxes that we usually get. It doesn't have that flimsy feeling to it where, you know, if you put something or if you put some weight on top of it, it's gonna crush easily. It's not like that. It's a lot more sturdy, kind of more along the lines of like the Jordan 5 boxes and the Jordan 6 boxes we've been getting. And I'm really glad because y'all know the way I stack these, like boxes like those, or actually over here, like boxes like these, they're in pain right now. So because they got all of these on top of them, but like this box right here, they should be able to hold more weight, so I appreciate that. On top of that, they do come with this white paper as opposed to the black plastic that we normally get. This is the same paper that comes with the What the Fives. I don't know if that's a new thing they're doing or why they got rid of the black plastic, but that's what it is for these. Sturdier box, white paper, but other than that, it's just your normal Jordan 4s box. And here's the box label. Retail for men's sizes in USD is $200. I like them. You know, overall, everything's on point. The red is fire red. It's a real, true fire red. It's not pinkish like some people were questioning. So, you know, they're nice. Like I said earlier, I feel like this particular pair right here is one of the better pairs of 2020 Fire Red 4s because a lot of other people were not as pleased with them as I was because their pairs had glue stains and the leather was, you know, wrinkly in some areas and stuff like that. So I'm really hoping that my personal pair comes in more like these and not like the other pairs that people were complaining about. I'm not expecting it, but I'm really hoping so because these look nice to me. So if I can get a pair like this, I'm good. I know some people were able to grab these on the shock drop that Sneakers had on, I think it was October 27th. But for those of you who didn't, make sure you enter my giveaway for a free pair. It's really easy to enter. But just in case you still want to be ready for the 28th, I feel like these will be hard to grab at first, but I have a feeling we may see a couple of restocks. Not 100% sure, but I just have a feeling that these will restock a couple of times. So I wouldn't panic. I'd wait a little bit and see if I can catch a restock, but don't just pay the resale price for these the day they release. If you're going to pay resale, it's definitely better to wait, and that's why I'm suggesting that wait around, see if you can catch a restock, because if they do restock, you could possibly get them for retail. And then if not, maybe after a couple of weeks or so, then by then, buying them from a reseller will be a little cheaper than they would have been on release day. Now, resellers, part of me wants to tell y'all to sell these right away, but really, y'all should probably hold on to them. The reason I would say sell them right away is because the last couple of Jordans that retroed in OG colorways, like the Fire Red 5s and the Flint 13s, they sold out real quick and they did really well the first day for resellers. But then they kept restocking and the market values just kept dropping. And then it even got to a point where, not really on the Flint 13s, but well, certain sizes, like I know like size 8 and 8.5 has kind of happened to the Flint 13s, but almost every size on the Fire Red 5s got to a point where they weren't even selling out right away when they restocked. A couple of those restocks sat for a little bit. I feel like historically, Jordan Brand has produced pretty large quantities of pairs that they've retroed on the weekend of Black Friday. You know, like the True Blue 3s, Aqua 8s. Like, I feel like pairs like that, they made a good amount so that, you know, a lot of people could get them. So for that reason, if you caught them on the shock drop and you have them in hand already, I kind of want to suggest just selling them right away on the 28th as soon as they sell out online before they start restocking places. But these are not Fire Red 5s or Flint 13s. These are Fire Red 4s. Then when you think about what the Black Cement 4s have done in like a year and some change, and the Black Cat 4s, which aren't even an OG colorway and haven't even been out for a year, are going crazy, selling for double their retail price right now. So I'm not saying that Jordan 4s are like the new Jordan 1s, but I am starting to see a little trend here. Like, I know the Black Cements went up because of The Last Dance, like a lot of OG colorways did. But those Black Cats, man, I didn't see that coming. And the way I'm thinking is, if the Black Cat 4s could do that, why can't these? You know, even if they do make more pairs of these in the Black Cat 4s, because this is an OG colorway, they're a little bit more iconic than the Black Cat 4s. Because the Black Cat 4s are a nice classic colorway, but those aren't even part of the OG colorway set from 1989. Those dropped in 06, and like I said, they're classic colorway. But, you know, if those could do that, I don't see why these can't. So yeah, I think y'all should hold on to these, especially if you can get multiple pairs for retail to sit on. But good luck to everybody on the 28th. If you're still watching this video now, I really hope that you are successful in getting a pair for retail, because I really appreciate y'all who watch all my videos and watch them all the way through. It means a lot to me and it helps me. So shout out to y'all. But as usual, if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. That helps me out as well. And if you're not subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap that little bell so you can turn my video notifications on. That way, when I drop a new video, you won't miss it. Also, one last reminder, make sure you enter my giveaway for a free pair of these in your size. Everybody, thanks again for watching. Please stay safe and healthy, and I'll see you next time.